Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here one of the latest smartwatch from iTel. It is the iTel Smartwatch Fit O23 Plus. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of the Fit O23 Plus. We'll check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, or if you are planning to buy this wearable, watch this video first and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have the unboxing review of our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is one of the latest smartwatch from iTel, affordable sporty smartwatch. So before we remove the plastic here, let's check out the box right away. So this is the packaging of iTel, the same with other smartwatches from iTel. Okay, so here is our O23. As you can see here, they have the same size, okay, almost the same style, okay, just different layout here for the graphics. The O23 Plus box is more like the design of the Fit O20 here, as you can see. Okay, so the same style. Okay, so this is our Fit O23 or the O23 Storm Ultra. Okay, this one is the O23 Plus. We'll have a comparison review of these two wearables as we go on checking our iTel Fit O23 Plus. Again, we have here a preview of the wearable. We do have some specs and features. Okay, here on the side, we do have the QR code here and the specifications. Enjoy better life. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here. So I'm interested to compare this with our O23 Storm Ultra. Okay, so here's the package contents of our Fit O23 Plus. So let's check. Okay, we have here again the package contents. We have the user manual. So the model name for this one is ISWO23P. For the Storm Ultra O23, we have the ISWO23. This one O23P. Okay, we have here a warranty card and a customer service warranty certificate. We have the smartwatch. Okay, we do have a metal body frame here, and we do have the support app. It is using the iPulse application. This is available on Android and iOS. And of course, we have here the charging cable. Still pogo pin, USB Type A. Again, here are the package contents. Smartwatch with a strap attached, the charging cable, the user manual, and a warranty card. Okay. Next, so before we proceed with the specifications, let's check out first the dimension of the wearable. Going to remove this. Okay, let's check. Let's have the dimension, then to be followed by the weight. Okay, 00. We have 47.8 again. Okay, 47.9. Then for the width here without the buttons, it is around 39.9. Then for the thickness here without the sensor, we have a 10.9 millimeter. Okay, so for our weight with the strap attached, we have 59.72 grams. Okay, so for the smartwatch, so here's our wearable. Let's check out the specs. Then we'll proceed with the design and the UI. So for the specifications, it states here we do have a 2.04-inch high-definition display and an IP68 waterproof body frame. Here on the design here, it looks like it has a rounded edge, but here we do have a flat body frame. Okay, so for the specs, we have it here. I'm going to focus. Again, our model is ISW023P. We do have a 2.04 TFT, 320 by 380 pixel resolution, much better resolution right now. Okay, we do have a Bluetooth version 6.0. If I'm not mistaken, it is 5.34 our O23, the Storm Ultra. For the battery life or battery capacity, we do have 350 mAh battery, 5 to 7 days battery life, normal usage. Standby time is 15 to 20 days, so that's very good. Okay, the water resistance is IP68, and the support app is the iPulse app, available on Android and iOS. Okay, again, here are the specifications. Okay, and check it here. Okay, for our design, we do have a PC material at the back. We do have a metal body frame, flat, curved corner. We do have, what color do we have here? Okay, we have a titanium gold. Okay, what we have is the titanium gold. Although the gold color here is not that pronounced, but still, it looks fashionable as you can see here. We do have metallic button. We have at least 2 buttons here. We have a crown button. I think this is rotary. You can feel it. And we have a push button here on the side. Okay, beautiful looking smartwatch. Guess it is much better compared to other models of iTel smartwatches. 2.5D tempered glass screen. Okay, big screen, metal body frame. We do have a flexible silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. And we have a quick release pin for easy replacement. Again, for a closer look, here is our iTel Fit O23 Plus Smartwatch. So what do you think of the design here? Okay, let's turn it on so we can appreciate the design here, especially the screen display. Okay, scan the QR code to download the app and pair. We'll skip it. Okay. Again, here is our smartwatch. Okay, next, let's have the UI. Alright, so for the UI, again, This is a rotary button. As you can see here, you can change the watch faces. Okay, we do have a slim black border, top, right, and left. On the bottom part, it's a bit wide. We have here a physical button for sports. Again, for the screen display, we do have a 2.04-inch high definition. So here's the specs for the screen. Then 2.04-inch TFT, 320 by 380 pixel resolution. You can use the crown button here to change the watch face. So for the UI, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part we have the dashboard here for, I guess these are popular apps. You can also edit it or change. On the left side we have the settings and options. On the right side we don't have. Okay, so this is the first time to have a wearable without any features here on the right side. As you can see, only left, top, bottom part, and here on the left side, nothing. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the design, the specs, and the UI of our Fit O23 Plus Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.